Mason. Hi, Mason. Happy Thursday.
Hey, Mason. So, Sumidagawa looks really, really cool. Chill, huh? Well, I'm going to show you the green road today. Well, actually, I'm going to show you a little bit because it's really long. It just goes forever and ever and ever. Well, maybe not that. It's got lots of little vegetable stands, parks, places to barbecue, old villages. It's chill. It's also great fresh air. It's quiet and a wonderful place to think. So, we're gonna get on our way. All right, let's get out of here. Ready? So this is the Green Road. I'm pretty sure it stretches about 25 kilometers in both directions. It's a very cool place. People use it all the time. Walking, riding their bikes, out for picnics, afternoon stroll. It's a very cool place. So some of the things I really enjoy about the Green Road: the air. It's really fresh. It's quiet. It's a great place to think. It's also a cool place to sit down and have a picnic. I'm gonna go take you to the little old village. Okay, let's go, it's this way. This is a cool spot. It's an old village. Lots of old buildings, they do events here. There's even an udon house, which is very tasty. They always do mochi pounding right over here. This place is packed with people, and all the kids are waiting in line to pound mochi. This is cool too. Super old. It's a mill house, right? They would mill stuff there. Cool, huh? This here is an old house. Let's go have a look inside. It's small, small, small. Small. And during all of the seasons, it's always changing. During spring, during cherry blossom season, true fairyland. All right, bro, that's it. That's the Green Road. I really hope someday you can come join me for a walk along this really cool spot. But while I'm walking, I start thinking. So here's my question. What do you miss about America? More specifically, what do you miss that you never expected you would miss? For me, it was apples. They don't have green apples here. They don't have pink lady apples. There's no Macintosh, Jonathan's, just Fuji. That's what I miss. All right, man, till next week. See ya. They're good though. All right, dude, one more thing. Don't forget to remind people about our Substack page, right? They can ask us questions, they can send us comments. This video too. All right, dude, see you next week. They are pretty good, really, they are. They ain't green apples though.